smart list and filters to organize your contacts in Shopify na tayo. So first, inside the contact section, you can click Smart List on the top tab. So we are already here, and then click Add Smart List, this one, and apply filters such as tags, dated, added, pipeline stage, or custom fields. So we click the advanced filters, and then we find tags, date added, pipeline, or the custom field. And then select or new leads, VIP client or VIP clients. After that, save the list so it automatically updates whenever a contact matches your criteria. And use a smart list to quickly segment leads, active clients, or cold contacts.